Hi, this is Nicole from Whisperchicks, and I'm here today to tell you about our custom Cerakote options. Our lineup comes in 5 amazing colors from Cerakote. Any color you want, we can customize. We're starting out with our Aztec teal. This is our signature teal color for our brand because we just love it. It is so beautiful. We also have prison pink for all the ladies that love pink. For something a little bit more sophisticated, we have this rose gold. And lastly, black cherry, romantic and sultry. If black is more your color, don't worry, we have that as well, because we know black goes with everything.